In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram when certain songs aren't showing up in the music library. If there's a specific song that you want to use on Instagram and you can't find it, and you're also noticing that a lot of other songs aren't showing up, then I'll show you a setting that you can change which may fix the problem. Now, there is a possibility that the song you're looking for simply isn't available on Instagram. Instagram doesn't have every single song available, and music availability can also depend on your location. But if you're pretty sure that the song is available on Instagram and it's just not showing up for you, then let's try fixing it. So, the first thing you want to do is open Instagram and go to your profile. You can do this by pressing your profile icon in the bottom right. This will take you to your Instagram profile. Now, in the top right-hand corner, you want to go and press the 3 lines. This will open your Instagram settings and activity. From here, you want to scroll down until you find the section called Your Insights and Tools. Go ahead and press on Account Type and Tools. Now, at the top you'll see an option for account type. Go ahead and press on that. If you're currently using a professional account, this may be the reason why you're not seeing certain songs. So what we're going to do is switch the account type back to a personal account. Press Switch Account Type. Now you'll be given the option to switch to a personal account. Go ahead and select Switch to Personal Account. Instagram will then ask you to confirm that you want to make this change. Just confirm the decision. Keep in mind that when you switch back to a personal account, you may lose access to some of the professional features and insights that come with a professional account. But you can always switch back to a professional account in the future if you need those features again. Once you've confirmed it, just wait a moment while Instagram switches your account. And now we've switched back to a personal account. So, what you can do now is go back to Instagram and try accessing the music library again. Create a story or reel, press the music option, and search for the song that wasn't showing up before. Hopefully, you'll now be able to see the song, along with many of the other songs that were previously missing. And that's how you can potentially fix Instagram when certain songs aren't showing up. Just remember, if a song isn't available in your country or Instagram doesn't have the rights to use it, this method won't necessarily make it appear. But if you were using a professional account and a lot of songs suddenly weren't showing up, switching back to a personal account can hopefully resolve the problem. If you found this useful, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to How To with Sunny for more helpful tutorials.